How to get dark mode on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can get dark mode on TikTok. Unfortunately, TikTok does not have a built-in dark mode feature that can be manually enabled or disabled within the app settings. However, for iOS users, there is an option or a feature to make changes with their dark mode. For Android user, there is no such feature. So if you go to your profile page, just by tapping on the profile icon and then tap on the tab bar icon, go to settings and privacy. Here as well, you'll not be able to see any such option as enabling a dark mode feature. Now, as already mentioned, there's no such option to enable a dark mode on Android. So what else you can do is, apart from that, just for an alternative method, you can open up your settings application, enable your device's dark mode features. For that, you need to go to settings and over here go to display, and right on this page you'll be able to find an option as a theme. So you can see that right on top, currently my account is in dark mode features, so you need to toggle the switch for dark mode, and after that you need to exit this and then open up your TikTok, and you might be able to see your dark mode features on TikTok. Now that is the only alternative method to do it. So in this way you can enable or get a dark mode feature on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.